Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know to begin using ChatGPT, from initial sign-up to explaining ChatGPT features and more. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to your Hub for Tech. So if you've been searching for a great starting point or just looking for more information on the topic, you're in the right place. I've spent a ton of time trying and testing ChatGPT, and in part 1 of this series, I'm going to explain what ChatGPT is and how to use it for free. Then we're going to talk about its top 5 capabilities and several real-world examples. If you're finding value in this video, make sure to hit the like button. It really makes a huge difference. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because I'm also going to share with you my top 3 tips for improving your ChatGPT results. So what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, it's a computer program designed to generate human-like responses to users' input. This AI chatbot was publicly launched on November 30th, 2022 by OpenAI. More specifically, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art large language model trained using 1.5 billion natural language parameters. In other words, ChatGPT uses many sources of information for input to generate its output. This massive amount of data can be anything from textbooks, websites, and various articles. By analyzing this data, ChatGPT learns to recognize and model its own patterns in language, which it uses to generate detailed replies to users' input, making it the ideal tool for producing text in conversational format. To start using ChatGPT, follow these simple steps. Access ChatGPT through its website or iOS app. I'll be using the website version, but you can also download the mobile app by visiting the Apple Store. If you visit the website linked in the description below, a login page for ChatGPT is displayed. Also, if you haven't already, click the Sign Up button and create an account or login using your existing credentials. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the free version, which utilizes OpenAI's default GPT 3.5 model. If you're looking for faster response times and priority access to new features and improvements, such as the GPT-4 model, I recommend getting ChatGPT Plus, which is an unlimited subscription plan for only $20 per month. This option can be found by clicking on the Upgrade to Plus button in the bottom left of the screen. Once you're on the ChatGPT interface, you'll see a text box toward the bottom of the screen where you can type your message or question. Just a few things to remember before getting started are, ChatGPT's data only goes up to September 2021, so it won't be able to answer questions about current events. ChatGPT doesn't know everything. Some responses may include errors or distorted information, so just be mindful and fact-check the information presented. Also, before you begin typing a message, it's important to identify your main purpose in advance. This is useful because ChatGPT's output will vary depending on the input you provide. In other words, ChatGPT will generate a better response if you provide clear and concise input. Luckily, we can ask ChatGPT for assistance. For example, if I ask ChatGPT to explain how to determine your prompt's main purpose and desired outcome, then press Enter or click the button on the right to submit it. ChatGPT will process your input and provide you with a list of recommended guidelines to help you write a better prompt. This is a simple technique you can use to generate better responses. After reviewing the information presented, you will notice your current conversation with a generic title is saved in the top left. This feature allows you to revisit your earlier chats. If you click on it, there are 2 icons displayed to either rename it or delete the chat. When a chat session gets too crowded, you can create another one by selecting New Chat in the top left. As you can see, it's an empty slate, and after submitting another message, your new session will display above the previous chat history in the top left. Now you might be wondering what makes ChatGPT so impressive. First, let's talk about ChatGPT's main capability, generating human-like text. This AI model is specifically designed as a chatbot to understand and interpret human language. ChatGPT's natural-sounding and informative text generation is what sets it apart from its competitors. What's even more amazing is its ability to respond to messages in a conversational manner, making it the ideal application where human interaction is required. ChatGPT's next greatest capability is generating or editing specific content. For instance, Imagine having your very own digital assistant to help you with creating emails, documents, or even social media posts. ChatGPT can comprehend your main ideas, draft the text for you, and even suggest improvements. Ultimately, with ChatGPT's assistance, this will increase your productivity by streamlining the content creation process. The third capability involves ChatGPT's ability to learn from context. Instead of only understanding individual words or phrases, ChatGPT can build a clearer picture from the circumstances in which the information is used. This makes it an invaluable tool when it comes to tasks like summarizing long articles, translating languages, or even generating descriptions for images. A deep understanding of context brings versatility to the table, as it can adapt to a wide array of tasks and topics. Capability number 4, a real-time conversation simulator. ChatGPT can serve as a virtual team member to help you brainstorm ideas while working on projects. This ability to quickly and contextually respond in a discussion can help you refine your thoughts or even generate new ideas. In addition, this capability can foster creativity and innovation by offering a fresh perspective without the need for another person's assistance. Lastly, let's talk about the fifth capability, code autocompletion. ChatGPT's general language understanding makes it possible to generate relevant code snippets based on the user's prompts. With this powerful capability, programmers can improve their productivity, reduce typos, and create well-structured code, ultimately saving time and effort while simultaneously enhancing the final product's overall quality. Now that you've learned about 5 capabilities, you might be wondering how ChatGPT applies to real-world scenarios. First up, we have customer service. Dealing with customers can undoubtedly be time-consuming and often quite challenging. But here's where ChatGPT comes in. Picture customers interacting with an intelligent chatbot through online chat tools, instant messaging, or even voice-based platforms that's available 24/7. It understands your questions, provides accurate answers, and can even help with navigating websites or applications. Sounds great, right? This may lead to higher customer satisfaction and frees up time for the actual customer service agents to handle more complex issues. Next, we have content creation. As a content creator myself, I know how demanding it can be to constantly come up with new and engaging material for your audience. That's where ChatGPT can lend a helping hand. Instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, create outlines, draft content, edit and proofread, and so much more. Your creativity is the limit. And guess what? It's versatile enough to cover a wide range of topics, making it a valuable tool for creators across numerous categories. Of course, ChatGPT should be used as a tool to begin the process, as it's always important to proofread and edit your content for quality and originality. The point is, ChatGPT can help kickstart and streamline the creative process. Now, let's talk about language translation. With the world continuously becoming more interconnected, the demand for accurate and efficient translation services is rapidly growing. As you may have guessed, ChatGPT has the potential to be a leader in language translation services. ChatGPT can translate content between languages in real time, ensuring you never miss a beat while communicating with foreign customers, collaborating on international projects, or even just exploring content written in another language. It's certainly a game changer for people and businesses looking to tap into global markets. Keep in mind, however, that every translation may not be completely accurate, so always double-check for nuances and subtleties. Finally, let's discuss education and tutoring. Today's fast-paced world demands innovative ways to learn and acquire knowledge efficiently, and ChatGPT is here to help revolutionize the way we approach learning. As a personalized tutor, ChatGPT can help students get immediate answers to their questions. Whether it's clarifying difficult concepts or providing guidance on problem-solving, ChatGPT is available around the clock to provide support. Moreover, it can assist teachers with creating and generating quizzes, study materials, or lesson plans, allowing them to focus on more critical aspects of teaching. It's important to note, however, that ChatGPT is not meant to replace teachers, but rather serve as supplementary support for both teachers and students. So, there you have it. Several real-world examples for ChatGPT. Now, for the bonus section, these top 3 tips will help you make the most of your ChatGPT results and serves as a brief introduction to the next video in the series. So let's get started. The first and perhaps most important tip when interacting with ChatGPT is to ask clear and concise directions. Being precise with your prompts helps the AI model better understand what you need and returns accurate, useful results. As we mentioned earlier in the video, you can ask ChatGPT for assistance. Then use these results to improve your prompt for ChatGPT to generate better results. Our second tip is about adjusting the temperature parameter settings. The temperature setting plays a significant role in determining the creativity and randomness of ChatGPT's output and ranges in decimal format from 0 to 1. Generally, lower values like 0.2 generate more focused results, while higher values like 0.8 introduce more randomness. By instructing what settings value you want in your prompt, such as the example provided on screen, ChatGPT will remember and use this value for the entire chat session. I highly recommend you experiment with various values to find the best results for your task. Lastly, don't forget to iterate and refine your inputs when using ChatGPT. AI chatbots may not deliver exactly what you're looking for in the first attempt, and that's totally okay. Feel free to ask follow-up questions or adjust your message using different phrasing, keywords, or providing more details. It's all about that back-and-forth conversation to fine-tune the output and get the best possible results. There you have it. I hope you found these ChatGPT tips useful. So are you excited about ChatGPT or other AI technologies? Can you think of other interesting ways to incorporate ChatGPT into your personal or professional life? Or specific techniques that have helped you generate better results? Let us know in the comments section below. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions on this topic. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you'll never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching Your Hub for Tech, and we'll see you in the next video.